The SimpliSafe Outdoor Security Camera Series 2 delivers crisp 1080p video with a wide field of view, making it easy to see faces, packages, and license plates clearly during the day. At night, its infrared night vision and bright imaging keep walkways, driveways, and yards visible, so you can review footage without struggling to make out details. The camera can work over a wired connection or wirelessly with the compatible third-generation SimpliSafe system, giving you flexibility in how and where you install it outdoors. Two-way audio with an upgraded speaker and focused microphone lets you clearly hear visitors and talk back through the camera, which is especially useful for deliveries or unexpected guests. When paired with the optional professional monitoring service, the camera's artificial intelligence can flag suspicious activity to live agents who can intervene, speak through the camera, and help summon authorities when needed. A built-in siren and proactive detection tools are designed to scare off intruders quickly, turning the camera into an active deterrent rather than just a passive recorder.